Welcome back. In this video, we are going to solve a structural design problem that involves a column design using load and resistance factor design method based on eStructural Design Tao found on the App Store. Design a reinforced concrete circular column using load and resistance factor design that carries an axial dead load of 300 kips and axial live load of 200 kips. Design criteria as follows. Strength of concrete 6000 psi, vertical bars 3/4 inch diameter grade 60, spiral tie bars 1/2 inch diameter grade 60, steel ratio 2%. The column carries an axial dead load of 300 kips and axial live load of 200 kips for a factored load of 680 kips. Enumerate input parameters required. Column name C10, floor designation ground to second, circular shape and spiral ties, unsupported height 10 feet 6 inches, vertical bars 3/4 inch diameter at grade 60, steel ratio 2%, spiral tie bars 1/2 inch diameter at grade 60, strength of concrete 6000 psi, and total load 680 kips. Given factored load equals 680 kips, the gross area of section is 172.1 square inches for a diameter of 15 inches. Given steel ratio of 2% and diameter equals 15 inches, the area of steel for vertical bars is 3.53 square inches. The number of bars for 3/4 inch diameter is 9. The spiral steel ratio ρS equals 0.02834 for a pitch of 2 1/4 inches. Design recommendation as follows. FC prime equals 6000 psi, Fy equals 60,000 psi, column size is 15 inches diameter by 10 feet 6 inches, vertical bars of grade 60, 9 pieces 3/4 inch diameter bar, spiral tie 1/2 inch diameter bar of grade 60, pitch at 2 1/4 inches on center. Thank you for watching. If you learned something from this video, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel.